Hi, welcome to this Bacon Bits video. This time we'll be looking at the job logs for our Microsoft Office 365 deployment and verifying the installation, not just through the job logs, but on the VM itself. Over on the left, under Logs, Jobs, and this last one is that bundle deployment. And let's have a look at what it puts out. Starting from the bottom up, the file configuration x64 XML was updated. That means it was copied over. The installer's simple PowerShell script was copied over. Setup.exe was copied over. And then lastly, installation started at 4:05 and installation script completed at 4:13. So that took roughly 8 minutes to install. And now let's check the VM. And as you can see, we have Word, Visio, oh boy, I'm going to start Visio, and PowerPoint, as well as Access. And if we look right here in the temp directory where we pushed everything over, let's sort by date modified. We have the setup file, the corresponding XML configuration file, and the Office Installer Simple PowerShell file. So everything went smoothly. Thank you very much for watching these Bacon Bits videos about repository and the installation of Microsoft Office 365 using Bacon. Have a great day. Thank you so much.